Cardamine pratensis, otherwise known as Lady Smock or Cuckooflower. It flowers around April or May when the cuckoos begin to sing. It's a member of the Brassica family, which means it's related to cabbage. It grows in damp places. This one just happens to be growing in my garden. Nicholas Culpepper said that it wasn't completely dissimilar to watercress in its effects. He said it's good for scurvy, for provoking urine, for breaking up stones, and for warming a cold and weak stomach, and for aiding digestion. So it's actually said to be quite mustardy in its flavour. I read in one account on the Duca's website as well that it was connected with the places where the Glasgevlin, the magic cow that you might remember from my Inniskeen video, apparently wherever the Glasgevlin drank water, Cuckooflower, among other herbs, is meant to be growing. But it was just that one account I saw. I've never actually tried it before, so I've managed to dig up some of the leaves here. I'm just gonna give them a go. Oh yeah. It's got that real warm and spice to it. Yeah, it's really nice. It's a little bit bitter as well, so if you were adding it to a salad, I probably wouldn't add too much, but there you go anyway, Cuckooflower.
When daisies pied and violets blue and lady smocks all silver white and cuckoo buds of yellow hue do paint the meadows with delight. The cuckoo then on every tree mocks married men, for thus sings he, cuckoo, 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 oh word of fear, unpleasing to a married ear.